The 3 and 3 series in Iceland is back, and this time we're going to show you 3 must-see places in the south of the country. Shall we check out the natural wonders of this region? We left Reykjavik straight onto the Ring Road, the highway that goes all the way around Iceland, heading toward the southern region of the island, and you better get ready. Man, it's crazy. Iceland is really beautiful. Driving on the roads here in Iceland is pretty complicated because all the time you see a really beautiful place to stop, take a picture, and enjoy the scenery. Look at this, man. This is right by the side of the road. Look, it feels like I'm in Alaska now. On the road, many waterfalls are starting to form, but our first stop is here. I just stopped the car here at Skogafoss, which is one of the tallest waterfalls in Iceland. Man, look at this wonderful thing. Skogafoss is over 60 meters high and is formed by water coming from glaciers. On sunny days, it's very easy to see a rainbow forming around it, but unfortunately, it was very cloudy on both days we were there. A deck next to the waterfall offers a close-up view of the drop, accessible by stairs. Well, I'm arriving at one of the most famous waterfalls here in Iceland, which is Seljalandsfoss. That's the waterfall you can walk behind. Check this out. Seljalandsfoss is one of Iceland's postcards, and for good reason. Every day, hundreds of people walk behind it to get a very different view of the waterfall. Man, it's really cold. Look at how I have to stay here. It's tough. Should I go? In this cold? Let's go, right? Let's go, let's go. Wear a waterproof jacket because it's really windy and you're going to get wet. You can't come here and not go behind the waterfall, right? Visiting the waterfalls and parking are free. Just arrive and enjoy yourself. Our next destination is kind of hard to find, so write down the coordinates to put in your global positioning system. You're visiting a little-known spot that even locals are unaware of, making it practically exclusive. Take a look. Well guys, I'm here in the rain, in the middle of a valley between a mountain and the volcano. Jökull, that's the volcano that erupted a few years ago and stopped all her flights, remember? And the reason I'm here is a natural pool. Just the path you take is already worth the visit. It's wonderful. Oh, and bring a towel, flip-flops, and a change of clothes because there are no services at the place. The walk doesn't take more than 10 minutes. It's very easy to get here, and look. Look back there, let's see. We've reached the 3rd location in this episode, and its name is quite difficult. Seljalandsfoss. It's pretty much exclusive, not very well known. And you can take a bath, not too hot. It's not hot, it's cold. You have a natural pool between a volcano and a mountain. Just for you. You just don't feel like leaving, no? During our visit to southern Iceland, we stayed at the excellent hotel Rangal. This 4-star boutique hotel is regarded as one of Iceland's finest. Take a look at this room. The restaurant is delicious, with a very complete breakfast. Dinner is also great. We had lamb with carrot puree and an excellent chocolate mousse. And its location is strategic, far from any city lights. Ideal for those who know how to spot even an unforgettable northern lights. That was just the 2nd chapter of our series in Iceland. In the next episode, we'll show the incredible black sand beaches. Subscribe to the channel so you don't miss it. Thank you and see you next time.